Hello viewers, welcome to my YouTube channel, where we review the latest gadgets and gizmos on the top 5 best electric pressure washers of 2025. These innovative tools make cleaning faster, easier, and more effective than ever. Stay tuned, because by the end, you'll discover which model fits your needs perfectly. Don't miss this essential guide to smart cleaning. I always make video top 5 product. If you want more information and the most up-to-date pricing on the products I mentioned, be sure to check the links in the description. If you want to see more of our content, don't forget to hit the subscribe button so you never miss an update from us. So without delay, let's start to the video. Number 5, the Sunjo SPX 3000 Electric Pressure Washer. Today, we're highlighting this powerhouse cleaner with 2030 PSI and a versatile spray system. With unique features like dual soap tanks, premium build, and easy maneuverability, this tool might just be the perfect solution for your heavy-duty cleaning needs. Ultra-powerful cleaning performance. The Sunjo SPX 3000 packs an impressive punch with a 14.5 amp 1800 watt motor, delivering up to 2030 psi and 1.2 GPM of water flow. Whether you're cleaning your home, car, RV, or deck, this pressure washer tackles dirt, grime, and mold effortlessly, making tough cleaning tasks quick and surprisingly easy. High-performance spray options. Equipped with 5 quick connect spray tips, this washer offers a wide range of options, from pinpoint accuracy to a broad fan spray. With its convenient soap applicator, you can easily switch between light, medium, and heavy-duty cleaning. No matter the job, the SPX 3000 adapts beautifully to your needs. Superior quality construction. Built with durability in mind, the SPX 3000 features a 34-inch stainless steel lance, brass fittings, and a 20-foot high-tensile, wire-reinforced hose. These robust components ensure leak-free operation, high performance, and reliability, so you can rely on this washer for years to come. Versatile dual detergent tanks. The dual onboard soap tanks allow for flexible cleaning options, carrying different types of detergent for varied surfaces. Switching between cleaning solutions has never been easier, letting you power through different jobs without the hassle of refilling constantly. Easy to use and energy efficient. Weighing only 24.3 pounds with rear wheels, the SPX 3000 is easy to move around. It also has total stop system technology, automatically shutting off the pump when the trigger isn't engaged to save energy and extend the pump's life. A smart and eco-friendly feature. Conclusion. The Sunjo SPX 3000 is a powerful, versatile, and reliable electric pressure washer designed for efficiency. Its high-quality build and ease of use make it a top choice. Ready to make cleaning easier? Check out the link below to see more. Number 4, the Dewalt 6110S 3400 PSI gas pressure washer with electric start. This high-powered, user-friendly washer is perfect for all kinds of outdoor cleaning tasks. With impressive pressure and durability, plus easy portability, it's designed to tackle even the toughest jobs with ease. Let's dive in. Powerful residential performance. The Dewalt 6110S delivers a remarkable 3400 psi at 2.5 GPM, powered by a robust 208cc engine. This electric start pressure washer makes cleaning decks, patios, outdoor furniture, and home exteriors quick and efficient. Say goodbye to dirt, grime, and buildup. It's amazing how well it performs even on stubborn surfaces. Superior durability and design. Built with a maintenance-free OEM Technologies axial cam pump, the Dewalt 6110S is crafted to last. Its welded steel frame and powder-coated finish add durability, while the thermal relief valve prevents overheating. Dewalt's reliable engineering makes this pressure washer a trusted tool for the long haul. Lightweight and portable. Despite its power, the Dewalt 6110S is compact and lightweight. Measuring just 23 inches long, it's easy to transport. The 10-inch pneumatic tires let you move it smoothly over rough terrain, making outdoor cleaning accessible anywhere, from driveways to backyards. Quality accessories included. The Dewalt 6110S comes with premium accessories like a 25-foot non-marring Morflex high-pressure hose and an ergonomic spray gun. The 5 quick connect nozzle tips, from pinpoint jets to soap applicators, give you the flexibility to clean any surface with precision. Important maintenance tips. This pressure washer is 49 state compliant and factory tested, so expect slight residual fuel odor. Keep the fuel level a ½ inch below the filler neck to avoid spills. These simple tips help maintain smooth operation and longer-lasting performance. Conclusion. With its impressive power, durability, and user-friendly design, the Dewalt 61110S is an ideal choice for anyone looking to upgrade their cleaning game. Ready for a deep clean? Check out the link below to learn more about this top-tier pressure washer. Number 3, the Dewalt Electric Pressure Washer, DWPW2400. With 2400 psi power, an integrated soap tank, and heavy-duty durability, this electric washer makes outdoor cleaning tasks a breeze. Stay tuned to see why this tool could be the perfect addition to your cleaning arsenal. Impressive cleaning power. The Dewalt DWPP2400 delivers 2400 psi at 1.1 GPM, ideal for tackling a variety of cleaning tasks. From driveways to decks, this electric washer is perfect for powering through grime and buildup. You'll be amazed at how easily it cleans even the toughest outdoor surfaces. Built-in detergent system. Using soap is easy with the DWPPW2400's integrated detergent tank. Just fill it up and you're ready to tackle dirt with extra cleaning power. This feature makes it simple to switch between washing with water alone or adding soap for deeper results. Convenient storage features. Stay organized with the DWPW2400's onboard storage for the nozzle, hose, cord, and wand. Everything you need is right at your fingertips, neatly stored to keep your workspace clutter-free. No more hunting for attachments when you're in the middle of a job. Durable, kink-resistant hose. Equipped with a 25-foot kink-resistant hose, this washer is designed to withstand heavy use without tangling. You can reach extended areas without worrying about the hose kinking, making every cleaning session smoother and more enjoyable. Easy to move. The 10-inch premium pneumatic wheels let you transport the washer over rough terrain with ease. Whether you're working in a driveway or a rocky garden, this washer moves smoothly, adding convenience to its powerful performance. Conclusion. With its strong cleaning power, integrated detergent system, and user-friendly design, the Dewalt DWP2400 is a fantastic choice for all your cleaning needs. If you're ready to simplify your outdoor cleaning routine, check out the link below to see this powerhouse in action. Number 2, the Dewalt Electric Pressure Washer, DWPW2400. With 2400 psi and an integrated soap tank, this corded powerhouse is perfect for tough cleaning jobs. If you're ready to discover a tool that'll make cleaning effortless, stick around. Powerful performance. The Dewalt DWP2400 offers 2400 psi with a 1.1 GPM water flow, delivering powerful, reliable performance for various tasks. Whether you're tackling a grimy driveway, weathered deck, or outdoor furniture, this washer makes cleaning faster and more satisfying, unleashing surprising strength for an electric model. Built-in detergent tank. Featuring an integrated soap tank, this pressure washer makes adding cleaning solution hassle-free. Simply fill the tank and you're set for a deeper, more effective clean. It's a game changer for anyone looking to lift stubborn dirt with minimal effort, adding extra versatility to every job. Smart onboard storage. With onboard storage for the nozzle, hose, cord, and wand, the DWPW2400 keeps everything organized. No more messy cords or missing attachments. Everything is right where you need it. It's a small detail that makes a huge difference in efficiency and ease of use. Heavy-duty kink-resistant hose. This washer includes a 25-foot kink-resistant hose built for durability and flexibility. Whether you're moving around large areas or reaching high spots, this hose won't twist or tangle. Enjoy uninterrupted cleaning without the frustration of constant hose adjustments. Easy mobility on any surface. Equipped with 10-inch premium pneumatic wheels, the Dewalt DWP2400 is designed for easy transport over rough or uneven surfaces. It's ideal for anyone who needs a pressure washer that's as mobile as it is powerful, easily moving across job sites or rocky terrain. Conclusion. The Dewalt DWP2400 combines power, convenience, and durability, making it a top choice for serious cleaning tasks. With its high PSI, onboard soap tank, and portability, it's ready for whatever you throw at it. Check out the link below to see how this washer can upgrade your cleaning game. Number 1. The impressive Greenworks 3000 PSI True Brushless Electric Pressure Washer. This powerhouse cleaner combines gas-level performance with the ease of electric power. If you're ready for serious cleaning made simple, stick around to see why this pressure washer stands out. High-powered True Brushless Motor. The Greenworks 3000 PSI model features a powerful 14-amp true brushless motor, delivering an impressive 3000 PSI at 2.0 GPM. With 3,300 cleaning units, this washer packs enough force to make tough cleaning jobs feel effortless, from driveways to large outdoor areas. Certified Performance PWMA certified, this pressure washer's PSI and GPM have been independently verified. Greenworks promises reliable power, and with this certification, you know you're getting exactly what you paid for. This guarantee is a big deal, ensuring consistent performance on every job. Better than gas power. Thanks to its heavy-duty cast aluminum axial cam pump, this model offers performance comparable to a gas-powered washer without the hassles of fuel. That means you get the muscle of gas-level pressure with the convenience of a plug-and-go electric model. It's a win-win for power and convenience. JetFlow technology for extra reach. With JetFlow technology, the Greenworks pressure washer increases water flow by up to 50%, reaching higher spots and speeding up rinsing. It's perfect for cleaning two-story homes or hard-to-reach areas, making those challenging tasks surprisingly easy to tackle. Rugged design and handy accessories. Equipped with a durable metal gun and a kink-resistant 25-foot Uberflex hose, this washer is built for heavy use. It includes 15 degrees, 25 degrees, and 40-degree tips, along with soap and turbo nozzles, giving you versatility for any task. Conclusion. The Greenworks 3000 PSI True Brushless Pressure Washer combines power, efficiency, and ease. If you're ready to simplify outdoor cleaning while still achieving top results, check out the link below for more details on this outstanding tool. I hope you found this video helpful, and if so, please leave a thumbs up, as I always appreciate that. Also, please feel free to leave a comment suggesting future videos or questions you have, as we love getting to respond to as many of those as we can. And if you sub, remember to like, share, and subscribe for more tech reviews. Welcome to The Review Factor family. We've got lots more videos coming your way. Till then, stay safe, stay awesome, and I'll see you in the next video. Goodbye.